First of all, we want to thank everyone who gathered here in front of the Glenn County Courthouse to show their support either for the Arbery family or for the McMichaels. We understand more than you know how valuable it is to have people come together, peacefully assemble, share their voices, share what's in their hearts, share what's in their minds. This is a very difficult day for Travis McMichael and Greg McMichael. These are two men who honestly believed that what they were doing was the right thing to do. However, the Glenn County jury has spoken. They have found them guilty, and they will be sentenced. And that is a very disappointing and sad verdict for myself and for Bob and for our team. But we also recognize that this is a day of celebration for the Arbery family. We cannot tear our eyes away from the way that they feel about this, and we understand that they feel they have gotten justice today. We respect that, we honor that, because we honor this jury trial system.
Do y'all have any questions?
Do you plan to appeal?
Yes, absolutely.
What was Mr. McMichael's reaction to the verdict?
We haven't had a chance to talk to him yet. He was taken back to the Glenn County Jail. He was very stoic. I was right next to him, feeling his body next to mine, and was ready for him to react, and I really didn't feel any reaction. He's a strong man. He understood the potential consequences in this, and he, whatever he was feeling, he was holding into himself.
Do you all feel, to what degree do you feel a larger conversation around the country about racial justice may be based on we very much honor the larger conversation that's happening around the country. The fact that this case was brought into the fold of that conversation has made it very difficult indeed to have a trial in the normal sense of what we typically experience. And so to the extent that that has played a role in this or played a role in the verdict, we don't fully understand it right now, but I'm sure in the oncoming months we'll get more information about it.
I don't think any single case is a referendum on the criminal justice system in America. This case was about these people at this moment in time. We had good prosecutors, good defense lawyers, and a good judge, all working hard to make sure justice occurred in this courtroom. And whether the verdict had been the way it went or had been the other way, not guilty, justice would have happened in this courtroom, and it doesn't speak about the larger problems in America.
No, we haven't had second thoughts about it. I'm sure that our decision to keep the case here, to not move for a change of venue, will be discussed ad nauseum, and it will certainly and could certainly become a part of the appeal. Right now, we are respecting the verdict that's at hand.
Did you have any reservations at the moment when the jury was coming back to ask to review the video or to hear the How were you feeling in that moment?
We were glad they wanted to look at the video because we felt from day one that the video showed that Travis McMichael acted in self-defense. Obviously, the jury felt very differently than we did, and maybe we had our own little tunnel vision going. But I always thought the video was helpful to us, just as Greg McMichael said at the very moment it happened. Absolutely.
Yeah,
good.
I can tell you 100%. Looking you in your eyes, sir, and I can extend my heart to you. Well, I'm going to answer your question. I'm going to answer your question honestly, with my heart. I've lived with these men for the last year and a half, day in and day out. I've looked into their hearts. I've looked into their souls. I've had very deep conversations with them that stem back to their childhood and their upbringing. And I can tell you, honestly, these men are sorry for what happened to Ahmaud Arbery. They are sorry that he is dead. They are sorry for the tragedy that happened because of the choices that they made to go out there and try to stop him.
You get choices. You make money. What deal?
That's right. Well, I appreciate your question.
They made their choice.
We appreciate your question.
Any more questions?
Other questions? Well, we thank you very much for your
Thank you all.
attention and for your professionalism. Thank you.